Today's Friday, February 22nd. This is a 1968-1969 Cadillac Eldorado turn signal marking lights. They'll be going to my friend Jean Davis Saucier in Green Acres, Florida. So these units have been cleaned and are in beautiful condition, and he's going to be installing them into his 1967 Eldorado in order to remove the front nose filler panels and put in these beautiful 68 very elegant turn signal marking lights. So the unit's connected to power. I'll go ahead and do a functional validation test, and we'll start with the left-hand driver's unit, and I'll touch the brown wire which shows the marker light. We'll go over to the right-hand passenger side and touch the marker light also. Now we'll come back to the driver's side and we'll touch the turn signal lamp. We'll go to the right-hand passenger side and touch the turn signal lamp. Okay, and that's the 1968-1969 turn signal markering lights going to Jean David Saucier. Today is Friday, February 22nd. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 E1 Eldorados. And I also do show quality factory restoration of the original steering wheels and steering columns. Thank you very kindly.